We are providing on-demand home services application which would solve the daily life problems like electrician, plumber, beautician, and laundry. Let's have a look on the problems we are facing in this industry. These are the problems we usually face, but the most important one is no specific charging criteria for these services. In home services industry, it was thought that no specific charging criteria could be set for pricing of a service, and no mobile application could verify or estimate the fare of service, especially in this industry, and therefore many businesses also failed. These are the companies that failed. Sukoon.com was the prominent name in the home services in industry, and it was the highest funded startup in Pakistan, but eventually it failed. Because after providing the service, only service provider could estimate the service cost, and he could charge for the service whatever he wants without any specific charging criteria or standard, due to which the service cost was very difficult to be controlled or monitored because it was in the hands of service provider. In Vinyl app, there would be everything automated and connected to these servers. Price of every kind of service would be predetermined, and we would use historical data, fixed rates, and the time it took to provide the services. So it would be very easy and simple to estimate the cost of service being provided. So these are the key differentiating points of the Vinyl. We are providing automation, automated cost estimation, rating for both parties, troubleshooting guide for the service providers, service transparency, cost controlling, and process monitoring. This is our product. We are using Flutter for the mobile application, Laravel for the APIs, and Microsoft Azure for the web services. So let's talk about the global market size. We have 1.5 trillion trillion dollar market size by 2024, and it will be 4.1 trillion dollar by 2027. This is our business model. We have three revenue streams. We will charge 20 to 30% commission on each transaction, 50% on checking fee, and advertisement on mobile app like with the Google AdSense. This is our initial financial model. So let's see the demo of the application. So this is the let's see the demo of the service seeker interface. He just have to log in, then the home screen would appear like this. Let's suppose he want to call the electrician for his AC repair. So he would just select the electrician, and then he just select the AC from the options. After that, he would have to select the type of AC. Let's suppose he selected the ductless mini split. There would be two options of packages and repairing. Let's suppose he clicks on the packages. All packages would appear. Let's suppose he select the service, and the detail regarding service package would appear like this. Now let's see what would happen if we click the repair button. So if we click the repair button, there would be two options. Service seeker can also estimate the cost on his own behalf, or he can directly book the services. Let's suppose he select the estimate cost. The whole list of components in any AC that can be repaired or replaced would appear. You just have to select the quantity, and after that he just have to tap on the estimate cost button, and the whole cost would be automatically estimated. Now he can book service from here. Let's suppose he schedule the service. Just have to select the time, date and time from here, and his order would be appear like this. Now let's see the service provider's interface. So on the top of the home screen, the income dashboard would appear, where he can see his income, his number of orders, and Vinyl commission as well. Let's suppose he went to repair and the AC. Here we have divided the procedure into two parts: problem tracing and cost estimation after providing the services. Let's suppose he's stuck somewhere while tracking the problem in the AC. So he just need to click on the troubleshoot guide. The whole FAQ would appear regarding the components of AC. Let's suppose he selected the first component, and all the list of questions would appear like this. Let's suppose he selected first question. The answer would appear with a simple and understandable diagram, which he can understand easily. Now let's see what would happen if he just clicked on the estimate bill button. The whole list would appear like this, and he just need to select the quantity, and after that he will just have to select the estimate cost. The whole invoice with all the detail of time, duration, items being replaced and repaired would be mentioned. The whole scenario would be done. Thank you very much for your time.